Hey, so recently I've been using my favorite scout loadout with the Force of Nature and the VANO. Here's a little demonstration how I use it with the sniper. Look at this, my favorite spot in the map. Yup. Fuck you. Time to get a nice flank going.
Nice shot! Nice approach! I got it!
If you can focus your mind on it, you can change it. You don't like the way your life is going? You have the power to change it. You don't have to be a failure. You don't have to be a quitter. You don't have to be anything you don't want to be. As long as you decide to change your mind.
You got to get to the point in your life where you say, I have had it. I've had it with going in a restaurant, looking on one side to see what I want to eat, and then look on the other side to see what I could afford. I'd had it living like that. I'd had it borrowing money from people. I'd had it living like a cringing animal. When you don't have any money, it runs your blood pressure up. You hear me? And you've got to decide, I have had it. I'm not going to live like this anymore.